Hello everyone, I would like to share with you guys a very healthy smoothie, but it's not really a smoothie because I don't have a juicer, so I mix everything up and then I strain it and leave the juice. And here are the ingredients that I use. I have one orange, I have a frozen piece of beet. What I do is I buy the beets, I peel them, I cut them up, and I freeze them and put them in the freezer to use later. Okay, so I added everything. I'm going to add some water to give that extra juice to it. And I sweeten mine with honey, but you can definitely use a little bit of sugar. That defeats the purpose, I think, a little bit. Usually I would go for honey just because it's more healthier and we're trying to be healthy here, you know? Final outcome, and the benefits of drinking these ingredients is, for example, beets is good to regulate blood pressure control. It promotes brain health and it fights cancer. Carrots are good for the eyes to improve vision. They're great for antioxidants. They help your digestive system, and they also help in reducing blood pressure. And ashwagandha helps reduce blood pressure. It helps reduce stress and anxiety, helps reduce inflammation, same as turmeric, and it helps improve memory. So yeah, this is a great drink, guys. Try it out. Tell me what you think. I also want to share with you what I do with my leftover citrus peels, and it doesn't just have to be orange. It can be your lemon peels, your lime peels, your anything citrus will work just fine. What I do is this right here. I take a jar, preferably glass, and I add my pills in here. That is a cinnamon stick. I have like 2 or 3 cinnamon sticks in here, and I create my own natural cleaning product. The liquid in here is distilled water and vinegar, just plain old white vinegar from Costco or any store. And you can also make this into a natural vinegar, using water and sugar. You just have to ferment it for a few days. But isn't that cool?